Hi, I'm Adrian Ferrazzutti. I'm an instructor here from Canada, just outside of Toronto. I come down here twice a year to teach classes, and we're doing the art of concealment right now, which is a side table shaker inspired that has 2 secret compartments. So here's a mock-up of the piece. This is out of poplar, so we're making it out of nicer woods like this cherry. But it's a side table, and it has a working drawer here, and the idea is that there's 2 hidden compartments. So the one is, well, I can't really show you, or that won't be hidden anymore. One is there, and there's a little zone up here where you can stuff stuff. So this is a false apron that opens up with a mechanism, and then there'll be a little pull here which disengages this lower apron. So this is normally just a structural element, so it will be released to reveal a small shallow drawer where you can put your keepsakes in there. So it's a really fun action-packed class. It's 5 days. It's an amazing amount of stuff that we learn in those 5 days. It's a super fun time. All Marc Adams classes are like that. So if you haven't been here, you got to check it out.